Dear students, now we will see water image. So the reflection of an object as seen in water is called as the water image. It is inverted image obtained by turning the object upside down. So water images of capital letters are, this is A. So we have to consider, means the water image is upside down, means vertically. Okay, so the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. These are the water images of capital letters. So these are the water images of small letters. These are the letters and these are the water images. And these are the water images of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so the important note for the water images are the letters whose water images are identical to the letter itself are C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. So the water images of these letters are similar. C, D, E, H, O, all these letters are having the identical water image, and the certain words which have water images identical to the word itself are kick, kid, child, hike, code and chick. Okay, so now we will solve some example. First example is store. So store, the water images image of the store word is S, T, O, R and E. This is the water image of this word, so means the option is 4 here. Okay, next is scary. So here S is like this, S, C is as it is, A, R and Y is like this. Okay, so this is the water image of this scary, so the answer is 1. Next, the water image of this number. One 16892. So it is 1 6 8 9. 2 is like this. Okay, so here 16892. So 1 and 2 is the same, only the difference is in 8, so the answer is 2 here. Okay, next is a water image of this figure. So it is these two are similar, but here there is a 2 ovals. So the water images with image of this figure is this one. Next, this figure. So the water image is this 3. the water image of this figure is this. Okay. So in the next session we will solve the exercise of this water image. So thank you so much.